In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Google Sheets. If you've been clicking around the main menus looking for margin settings, you're not missing anything. They're simply not there. In Google Sheets, page layout controls live inside the print preview. That's the key. Margins determine how much white space surrounds your content when it's printed or exported as a PDF, so adjusting them is essential for fitting more data on a page or creating a cleaner, more professional look. To get to the right place, open your sheet and go to File, then Print, or use the shortcut Control+. Don't worry, you're not actually sending anything to the printer yet. This is just where Google Sheets tucks away the layout options you need. Once the print preview opens, look to the panel on the right. You'll see a section labeled Margins. Click that and you'll have three quick choices: normal, narrow, and wide. Normal is balanced and works for most cases. Narrow reduces the white space around the edges so you can fit more columns or rows on a single page, which can be handy for wide spreadsheets. Wide adds extra white space, giving your document more breathing room. Great for formal printouts or when you want cleaner borders. As you try each option, keep your eyes on the live preview on the left. It updates instantly, so you can see exactly how your data will flow onto the page. If you need finer control, choose Custom Numbers. This unlocks two ways to set exact margins. First, you can click directly on the preview and drag the margin lines inward or outward. It's very visual and makes it easy to see the impact in real time. Second, if you already know the precise spacing you want, type the exact values into the top, bottom, left, and right fields. This is useful if you're matching a company standard or fitting a report into a specific binder or template. As you adjust, aim for margins that balance readability with efficiency. Narrow margins can pack more in, but you still want enough space so nothing feels cramped. And remember, printers often need a small boundary around the edges, so avoid pushing margins too close to zero. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Next. That action saves your margin choices for this print job, so your layout is preserved the next time you come back to print or export. And that's it. The simple hidden path to perfect margins in Google Sheets, right inside Print Preview.